In the world of project management, staying on top of progress is paramount. Whether you're overseeing a small team or a large-scale initiative, knowing where things stand is crucial for ensuring timely delivery, managing resources effectively, and ultimately achieving your project goals. This is where robust project management tools come into play, and Nifty is a prime example of a platform designed to make progress monitoring not just possible but remarkably straightforward. Think of Nifty as your central command center for all things project-related. It's more than just a task list. It's a comprehensive environment that integrates various aspects of project management, with progress monitoring seamlessly woven into its core functionalities. Let's delve into the specific ways Nifty facilitates this vital aspect of project success. 1. Visualizing progress with milestones. Nifty utilizes milestones as key checkpoints within your project timeline. These aren't just arbitrary dates. They represent significant achievements or the completion of crucial phases. By clearly defining milestones and assigning target dates, you create a visual roadmap of your project's journey. Nifty then allows you to track the completion status of these milestones. A quick glance at the project overview provides an immediate understanding of whether you're on schedule, ahead, or falling behind. This visual representation makes it incredibly easy for everyone involved to grasp the overall progress and identify potential roadblocks early on. 2. Task management with real-time updates. At the heart of any project lies a collection of tasks. Nifty's task management system is designed to provide a granular view of progress. Each task can be assigned to a team member, given a due date, and have its status updated in real time. As team members mark tasks as complete, this information is instantly reflected across the platform. This eliminates the need for endless status update meetings and provides a dynamic picture of individual and team progress. You can easily filter tasks by assignee, status, or due date to gain specific insights into different aspects of the project's workflow. 3. Gantt charts for timeline visualization. For a more comprehensive visual representation of the project schedule and dependencies, Nifty offers interactive Gantt charts. These charts display tasks, milestones, and their durations along a timeline. As progress is made on individual tasks, the Gantt chart automatically updates, providing a clear visual of how each element contributes to the overall project timeline. You can easily identify critical paths, potential bottlenecks, and adjust timelines as needed, ensuring that the project stays on track. The visual nature of the Gantt chart makes it an invaluable tool for communicating progress to stakeholders and keeping everyone aligned. 4. Progress tracking with percentages and burn-down charts. Nifty goes beyond simple task completion by offering percentage-based progress tracking. You can set an overall progress percentage for the entire project or for individual milestones. This provides a quantifiable measure of how much work has been accomplished. Furthermore, Nifty often incorporates burn-down charts, which visually represent the amount of work remaining versus the time left. This helps project managers forecast potential delays and take proactive measures to mitigate risks. Seeing the burn-down trend can be a powerful motivator for the team and a clear indicator of the project's trajectory. 5. Collaborative communication and file sharing. Progress isn't just about completing tasks. It's also about effective communication and information sharing. Nifty integrates communication tools directly within the project environment. Team members can discuss tasks, share updates, and ask questions in real time, keeping everyone informed of progress and any challenges that arise. The ability to attach relevant files directly to tasks and projects ensures that all necessary information is readily accessible, eliminating the time wasted searching for documents and streamlining the workflow. This seamless integration of communication and file sharing contributes significantly to efficient progress monitoring. 6. Reporting and analytics for deeper insights. Nifty often provides reporting and analytics features that allow project managers to gain deeper insights into project progress. These reports can include metrics such as task completion rates, team member workload, and potential delays. By analyzing this data, project managers can identify trends, understand team performance, and make data-driven decisions to optimize the project workflow and ensure successful completion. These reports can also be valuable for communicating progress to stakeholders in a clear and concise manner. 7. Customization for specific needs. Recognizing that different projects have different needs, Nifty often offers a degree of customization in how progress is tracked and visualized. You might be able to create custom fields for tasks, define specific workflows, or tailor the reporting features to align with your project's unique requirements. This flexibility ensures that Nifty can adapt to various project methodologies and provide the most relevant progress monitoring tools for your specific context.